tutorial will be for the Growing with Canvas course for assignment 3.4 under the Sprouting module, and it will cover creating discussions. So if we go into our training course and we go to the Sprouting section, we will have some things that you will have to read. So you're going to read 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3. Then you notice on 3.4 you've got a leaf, so that means we have to submit an assignment. So let's click on it and see what they want. So it says in your course, use a discussion placeholder. Okay, basically what this is saying is create a discussion that you would assign to one of your classes. Once you've adjusted the discussion settings and you've saved and published it, you're going to copy the URL and you're going to submit the URL for the discussion. This one's going to be kind of easy. So you will go to your sandbox, and I'm going to show you some sample discussions that I have in my sandbox. So you can create a sample discussion with no photo. Just simply type what you would like for your students to respond to. This is an example of a get to know your classmates one, and they have to answer the following questions. Then you can also do a discussion where you add a photo. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do both of these. So here's one where you've got a picture prompt and you're asking them what happens in the photo, and they have to type their answer and respond to two classmates. I've got some other discussions that would tie to specials teachers. So we've got a PE fitness challenge, and in this one there's a video link. The students will watch the video link and then try the fitness challenge. There's an art discussion that I can show you. And this one is just what types of shapes do you see in the picture, and they have to respond to the prompt. And the last one I'm going to show you is a music discussion. And here again, they'll watch a video and they'll have to reply to these. So what I'm going to demonstrate for you today is how to do a discussion without a picture prompt and a discussion with a picture prompt. It'll be your choice which one you want to do. So when you go to your sandbox, you're going to click on discussions. You're going to click on add a discussion. That's the plus discussion button. You're going to title it. Okay, and for this one, it's just going to be a would you rather have all day recess or all day lunch. You can tell them that you will see your classmates' responses once you respond. This is a very, very, very simple discussion, but you can see how easy this could be. Now, if you wanted to change the font or pretty this up, you could definitely do that. But just think about something in your classroom that you would have your students turn and talk about, and you could turn that into a discussion. So once we've given it a title and we've typed the directions, we've got to come down here and we have to decide, are we going to allow threaded replies? That means, are you going to let your students reply on other students' replies? Yes. And then are you going to ask them to post before seeing their replies? This is really good, like if you're doing a math one where you really don't want them to see the answers before they reply. So you can click that. Will it be graded? Would you allow them to like each other's posts? And do we want to add it to their to-do? And we do. So once we've set that, we're going to hit save and publish. Super easy, right? Okay, so now you've got your discussion. If this is all you're going to do for this assignment, you would just simply highlight the URL, Control C, or right click copy. You would go back to your dashboard, go back to the Sprouting 3.4 and hit submit, and you will just paste this URL in there. Now, if you want to be a little adventurous and you want to try to do a discussion with a picture prompt, we're going to model that next. So the first thing that you would want to do is, of course, go into Google, look for the prompt that you would like. Once you find a prompt that you like, you'll just right click, copy image. No, we'll need to save it. We'll right click, save it. We're just going to go ahead and put it in that Growing Canvas folder that we had, so it'd be easy to find. So now you'll go into discussions. You'll hit add a discussion. You'll title it. All right. We'll center it. We're going to hit embed image, but we're going to have to upload this. So we'll click on Canvas. We're going to go to course files. We want it in our images folder. And we're going to click upload file. And then we're going to find the picture we just saved from the internet. We're going to click open. Once that's ready, we're going to hit update. All right, we're going to hit update. And now the picture is in your discussion. So, tell me 5 things this boy will see on his journey. And then you can ask them to respond to 2 other students. All right, and so you will come down here. You're going to do threaded replies. They got to post before they can see other replies. They can like it, and we're going to put it on their to-do list. And then we're going to save and publish. That's how easy it is to do a discussion. This is pretty easy. So then again, you would copy the URL, and then you will submit it to your assignment. I'm going to go to student view so that I can show you an example of how to submit that URL. So it's going to be down here in the Canvas. You can see I have a lot of assignments in my okay, well maybe it's not. Well, in that case, oh, here it is, sample submission. Okay, so I will submit. So for this one, I just copied my URL. So you will click in the URL and paste, and then submit your assignment. And that's it for 3.4. I think you'll find this one to be pretty easy to do. Just remember to publish, because if you don't publish when you send the URL, they won't be able to see your discussion. All right, thank you.